Hello, welcome to the seventh session of question and answer segment of artificial intelligence. Let's see our first question. What is the other name for the forward state space search? A. Progression planning, B. Regression planning, C. Test planning, and D. None of the above. Let's see the answer. The answer is progression planning. So let's read the question and answer again. What is the other name for the forward state space search? And the answer is progression planning. Let's see the next question. How many states are available in the state space search? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Let's see the answer. The answer is 4. Let's see the question and answer again. How many states are available in the state space search? And the answer is 4. Next question. What is the main advantage of backward state space search? Cost, action, relevant action, or all of the above? Let's see the answer. And the answer is relevant action. So, what is the main advantage of backward state space search is relevant action. Let's see the next question. What is the other name of the backward state space search? Regression planning, progression planning, state planning, or test planning? Let's see the answer. The answer is regression planning. So, what is the other name of the backward state search? Answer is regression planning. Let's see the next question. What is meant by consistent in state space search? Change in desired literals, not any change in the literals, no change in the goal state, none of above. Let's see the answer. And the answer is not any change in the literal. Let's see the question and answer again. What is meant by consistent in state space search? And the answer is not any change in the literal. That's it for the current session. We will see more in the next session. Thank you so much.